Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hassan. My team members Fahad Fiaz and Zain Asghar. Our project is information extraction from scientific articles. First of all, a quick introduction of the project. Our project consists of two main phases. The first one is CAT, Collaborative Annotation Tool, and the second one is information extraction. CAT is a tagging tool which is developed for the tagging purpose. Using this tool, the paper moderator can define his own custom tags specific to the research paper, and not he can only define his own tags but also request the other members to tag the research paper according to the specified tags defined by the paper moderator. Paper moderator had the authority to review the tagging done by the other members, and he can update that tagging according to his skill set. CAT also provides an interactive GUI to read the research paper with additional features like metadata, authors, citation, author's affiliation, and the references of the research paper. In the second phase of this project, information extraction, our application will be using neural networks and deep learning algorithms to extract the important information from the research paper, and using JS and jQuery APIs and libraries will be highlighting that important information on the web portal. The technologies we have using Linux, Python, JavaScript, and jQuery, uh, WebScrap for Python for web scraping, and Django framework for the server-side language. We are also using a Grobit API, which is using to extract the text from the PDF research paper. Grobit converts the PDF into an XML file, and after that we are using xml.etree.elementary to filter the text from the XML file. We are also using SQLite as a database. We are using NLTK for the text processing, and JavaScript text highlighter for selecting and highlighting the text on the web. Project previous work: downloading the research paper from Sci-Hub, converting the PDF into XML, and then extracting the text from that XML using xml.etree.elementary, uh, and this JavaScript for text highlighting, and other work which we have done since the last evaluation. And now come to see the newly added features which we have added in this for this evaluation. There in basically in this evaluation we have resolved some issues which we were facing in the last evaluation. So now let's see what were the issues. The first issue we was facing was the serialization issue, as we have extracted the authors reference authors and their affiliation, but we had not displayed them on the front end because we were facing a serialization issue when we pass this data to the front end. So we have resolved that issue. The second issue, lemmas count with the sentences. We were facing an issue that the lemma count in the research paper and the sentences, there was a there was a difference between them. So we have resolved that issue and displayed the lemmas with their count and the sentences which contains that lemmas on the web. We also have updated the DB schema for our project, and now we are storing the headings and the paragraph in the databases, and we think that this DB schema is more flexible than the previous DB schema which we were using. So the next issue in this evaluation we focus on the GUI, and we had changed our GUI, and this GUI is very human friendly, and using this GUI reading is very easy. This is also a GUI refinement, and we have also added a search facility for the user. We have added the search facility in tagging module, but later on we'll be adding this search facility in the lemma. So what is the search facility? When the user tags some data using our application, we show that tags on the web to the user. So there is a search bar in which the user can search the keywords or the tags which he had tagged, or he want to check that is there anything like that text in the tagging, so he can check that thing using this search bar. So now come come to see the live working demo of the newly added features. So this is the interface of CAT. So now upload a research paper to check the working demo of the project. This is a random PDF file which I am uploading. Here you can see that the working of the Grobit library. When we upload a PDF, our application sends a request to the Grobit API to convert the PDF into XML file. So here you can see the request as and now Grobit converted the PDF into XML and passed it to the our web portal. So now let's see the working demo. To display the research paper and the important information of the research paper, we are using this jQuery tab. You can see that it is more friendly and easy to read from these tabs. This is the metadata of the research paper, and this is more human friendly to read it. We have bold the headings, that the title of the paper is the title, the type, abstract of the research paper, the author, department, institution. Here you can see that there are the three authors, one, two, and three, and their institutions and departments, and these are the references. So the first issue we was facing in the reference section. In the last evaluation, we were not displaying these reference sections, but now we are displaying that references of the research paper. So there are 27 references of that research paper which I uploaded, and the full text. This is the full text. Now you can see that it is easy to read that text here. Metadata, references, and full text. So uh, in this evaluation, we also had updated the GUI. The last evaluation, when we scroll down these tags and this table also moves upward, but now this is adjusted, and these tables are not moving, so it is easy to read and see that tags and this table. So now tag this research paper. Here you can see that I tag this word as a problem, and here you can see that this is added here. I'm adding some tags to show for the working of the project. If some tagging you had add some wrong tagging, you can also delete that tagging. Yeah, as you can see that I added this tag as a wrong tag. Just as an example, you can also delete that tag. This is the tag which I had added. So here from here I can delete that tag. So the tag is deleted. Now add some more tags. Here is another facility. Uh, when you add some tag, uh, all just as I tag this protocol word as a goal, all the word protocol will be saved in the tag goal. But here you can see that this protocol word is not fully tagged, so there is some error. I can go here in this table. I can delete this tag. So all goals, all protocol word which I added in the goal tag is deleted. So now tag it again. So, so all the protocol words you can see that highlighted. Here you can see that protocol word, but here is the word protocols, but only protocol is highlighted. So now add some more tags. So these are the tags. Now I want to show you the search facility which we have added in our project. Uh, just as I want to check the word protocol if it exists in the tagging or not. So I just had to write it there, protocol. So you can see that protocol word exists here. Now check some other word as defines. Defines here. You can see that. I want to delete that word. Defines. Okay. Delete. Okay. Delete. And here you can see that defines is deleted. I want to delete node. Node here. Node. You can see that I write the word node. You can say node here and node here as well. I want to delete the both. So node is deleted. Okay. Now show you. Let me show you the lemmas. Lemma is an on-demand function which will take some time. So these are the lemmas. Here you can see that these lemmas are sorted are in sorted order. Alphabetic. These are alphabetically sorted. So now we want to check the words just as this word DOS. His count is 10. So now let's see these sentences. So these are the sentences in which DOS lemma is used. IP version 6. These are the sentences in which IP version 6 is used. Now let me check IP version 6 in these sentences. IP version 6. So here, this, this, so this was the all work which we have done up till now. Thank you so much.